Hey, it's Sam here from Lean Greens, and today on #UpgradeYourNutrition we're going to be making some sweet potato fries. Actually, we've already made them because it takes a little bit of time, but it is time well spent. So, sweet potato, ta-da! I honestly can't remember when these started appearing in shops, but they weren't there when I was a kid. So, sweet potato fries appear on every restaurant menu these days. It's normally an upgrade from normal fries. And you can buy bags of pre-made sweet potato fries in the supermarket, and when you cook them they end up, okay, these are a little overdone, but they're kind of a bit like this, and they're if you look at the ingredients, there is a lot more in the ingredients list than sweet potato, and all you need to make sweet potato fries is a sweet potato, a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, and some seasoning. So here's some I prepared earlier. I'll just get these out of the oven. Ta-da!
Oh yeah, let's be looking at that one.
Focus, Tim, focus. So, sweet potato fries, homemade, and I think you will agree that those look a lot finer than the ones you can buy in the supermarket. So, literally all you have to do is chop up your sweet potatoes into fries or wedges or however you want them, a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, and stick them in the oven on about 200 to 220 degrees. You kind of can't break them too much. You can cook them on a cooler temperature if you're cooking some other stuff as well. Or you can whack the oven up if that's the only thing. If you have an air fryer, they also cook really nicely in an air fryer. And don't forget, if you're cooking sweet potatoes in the oven, you can upgrade your sweet potatoes further by adding some other veggies. So today I've just popped in some peppers. You could add some onion as well, some courgette, some aubergine. Yeah, you could add some broccoli in there if you fancy some broccoli after yesterday's video. So yeah, there you go. Super simple way to make your own sweet potato fries. No need to settle for the naff supermarket ones. Give it a go. Take some photos. #UpgradeYourNutrition. Shout out to Caroline, thank you, first person to post a photo of their #UpgradeYourNutrition challenge photos. So we'll try and find a good gift for you, Caroline. In the meantime, give this a go, or if you're picking a different challenge today, remember it's all about getting some more good stuff in and not worrying about cutting stuff out. We're just looking at getting more fresh veggies, more fresh food, more cooked from scratch food, more good, all good.